me this song a long time ago. Really fucked up. It's evolved over time, and now AI's gonna write me some new music. I hope you enjoy it.
I'm just sitting around waiting on you. Sitting here drinking another beer, and my mind's going weird. What I want is not clear, but if I knew what I wanted to do, I would be doing it. Every time I go outside, I am recognized because an OG Peppa Pete, and I try my best just to live my life, but sometimes I'll get it a little crazy. I know you fucking want this, but you're never ever ever gonna get it. It doesn't matter what you might tell me, I know I'll make it when I try to take it easy. I see everybody else going around outside, they're all trying to hide, but they still think there's something wrong with me. But there's only one universe inside my head I could ever dream of, a universe where I could find true love. So I'll try to save my money, count my friends, do what I want, fuck the rest, doesn't matter, I don't give a fuck, because I know I just keep doing it my way. I'll come back a leader or a king someday, and you can keep convincing yourself that you don't suck. All I know is one day I'll be holding my flag real high, stretching my arm and touching the sky, and you can just keep doing what you want. Sometimes it gets lonely being on my own mission. I feel like something's missing. I find myself sitting alone thinking about you. I've seen your face 1,000 times, I've only truly seen it once. For every time I had it has always been a different one. So you think you've caught me now, but you don't know. If you break my heart, I'll let you go, because it doesn't matter and I won't give a fuck. So go be a